Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am doing my December monthly. I decided to use a Sadie stickers kit since I got this one as like a freebie for a messed up order. I did go back and get the monthly deco as well. So yeah, for this month I really didn't add much that was like in regards to uploads in Happy Mail and things like that. I don't think I added too much of that. I really just wanted to keep it more so about what happened different, so to say. Like I was saying, I didn't get to go and be with my family this month for Christmas. I got sick. Just different things that happened that I wouldn't normally put in my month area. So for some reason the boxes like this one, it didn't fit all the way, so I decided not to use them. And yeah, I went ahead and put my numbers down. So I decided not to use those boxes because they didn't fit all the way, which this is the first time that has happened. Not sure why they didn't fit this time, but it's fine. So I went ahead and put all the numbers down, framed out my monthly area. Again, I'm just adjusting it because it really didn't fit, so I kind of had to make it like fit. So I used the tree from the December monthly deco. Any of the deco you see me pull is from that. I wanted to decorate the Christmas tree like I see Rachel of Gathered Plans do, and I'm just using some mini garlands from Sadie stickers. And the Christmas Day script is from the monthly. So for the 24th, I just wanted to, of course, mark Christmas Eve. I used one of the like holly tags from Sadie stickers. Added some deco. I also pulled in the candle. I thought that was really cute. I didn't have any fireworks, so I pulled in the candle there to mark New Year's Eve. And for December 1st, I wanted to mark Hello December with the fireplace, but I couldn't get it to lay the way that I wanted it to lay. Maybe I should have cut the candles off of the top and like forgot about that. But every time I put it down, it was like cricket. I put it down again, it was cricket. So yeah, I just wanted to mark Hello December there, but it I don't like the way that it turned out, but I did leave it there. So I embellished the fireplace with some holly leaves and berries. Moving on to the 3rd, I pulled in the scalloped square from the kit, as well as a notched square box from Sadie Stickers with the simple line. Pulled in the TV icon from Alyssa's Craft Shop to mark that me and the boys watched the Polar Express. On the 5th, I wanted to mark FaceTiming with my friend, and I pulled in the little phone from the kit. And then moving on to the 6th, I pulled in the circle from the kit, the little dangles from Sadie Stickers, and then the stethoscope is from White Deer Stationery to mark taking the baby to the hospital. And on the 8th, I pulled in the little, I think these were like the dividers from a $2 Tuesday from Sadie Stickers, and this was like the sweaterish looking one. I like that one, and I just wanted to mark a planning sesh icon is from White Deer Stationery. I was trying to skip like every other day in the month, as well as I didn't want to write on the coil. I just really didn't want to write on the coil this month or in general. So for the 10th, I also pulled in the hexagon from the kit, some deco, and the stethoscope from White Deer Stationery to mark that I took the baby to ear, nose, and throat appointment this day. And on the 12th, I think my intentions were to mark something else, but I had already started writing down deep cleaning the house this day. I don't remember what it was I was trying to put there, so that's that. I pulled in the half scallop circle from the kit, the candle from the deco sheet, the little road from White Deer Stationery to mark going downtown and having tacos. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that I slept in, so I pulled in a little mask from White Deer Stationery as well. So on the 17th, I cut down that floral because I realized I didn't get the smaller one. Like, I always do a monthly deco, and then I also do the weekly one so that I can have the smaller florals, but I didn't do that this week. So yeah, and then I pulled in the presents from Sadie Stickers to mark that we purchased and wrapped some presents this day, and that was fun. So I did want to go ahead and have that in there. And then I love these little boxes that have the little dangle on them, especially since I couldn't really use the full boxes. I just used the ones that already had something on them. And of course, embellishing with holly foiled deco. So here's the only place where I'm using the full box for the monthly, and it's just to mark that we got Chick-fil-A this day, and we went and saw Christmas lights as well. I'm sorry if you can hear baby moving around in the background. He decided to sleep with me tonight. So on the 22nd, I'm just marking doing some laundry. Again, really wasn't doing anything much for Christmas week. The kids were out of school, but they did go to daycare because I would have still had to pay for daycare, if you know what I mean. I think I said this before, but for the daycare, even if you don't bring them, you have to pay. It basically like secures your spot. So yeah. And then on the 28th, I wanted to mark ordering some stickers from Sadie Stickers, and I pulled in the laptop from the monthly kit. Also on the 22nd, not the 22nd, the 27th, I wanted to mark getting my fill-in and painting my nails as well. And then I used a little reindeer divider from Sadie stickers, which also it actually fits the 1.5, but I just used it here. And on the 30th, I did the same thing. I pulled in the little tag and the TV icon to mark watching Don't Look Up. Here is the before the pen wiggle. And then I was like, ooh, let me just go ahead and add a girl to make it pop a little bit more. So I pulled in the girl holding the bunch of holly florals, or what do you call these branches? Like when they're in the bouquet, I guess you can call them florals. So I pulled her in, and then I pulled in some branches from Honey Ink just to place around her, and then I added embellishments inside of the bouquet that she was holding. And again, the girl is from Red Lyrics. I haven't purchased any other ones, but here is another before the pen. Here is the after the pen. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, if you can please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I really hope you all had a happy holiday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.